Lost wallet at the station.
Excuse me? Can you help me?
Of course. What's the problem?
I can't find my wallet anywhere.
Oh dear, when did you last have it?
I think I had it when I bought my ticket.
Okay, that was about 10 minutes ago.
Yes. Just before I went to the platform.
What does the wallet look like?
It's small, brown, and made of leather.
Does it have your ID card inside?
Yes, my ID card and some cash are in it.
Don't worry, let me check the system.
Thank you so much. I am very worried.
I'm checking our lost property database now.
Do you see anything on the screen?
No, nothing is here yet.
What should I do now?
Let's walk over to the ticket office.
Good idea. Maybe I left it on the counter.
Yes, sometimes people leave them there.
I hope it is still there.
If not, you can fill out this form.
What information do you need?
Just your name and a contact number.
Okay, I can write that down.
Let's go look for it first.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Let's go.
Locked out of the apartment.
Oh no, I don't believe it.
Hi, Mark. Is everything okay?
Not really, Anna. I think I'm locked out.
Oh, did you leave your keys inside?
Yes, they are on the kitchen table.
That is so annoying. Do you have a spare key?
No, my roommate has the other one.
Where is your roommate right now?
He is at work until 9 o'clock tonight.
That's a long time to wait.
I know, and my phone is inside the apartment too.
You can borrow my phone to call someone.
Thanks. I need to call the landlord.
Do you know his phone number?
No, but I have it in my email.
You can log into your email on my phone.
That's really kind of you. Thank you.
No problem. We are neighbors after all.
Let me try to log in now.
Take your time. Don't worry.
Perfect. I have the landlord's number here.
Great. Go ahead and call him.
I hope he is free to come.
If he is busy, you can wait in my flat.
Really? Are you sure?
Yes, of course. I have tea and biscuits.
Thank you so much, Anna.
You are very welcome.
Spilled water on a laptop.
Oh my goodness, Tom. Watch out.
Oh no, I spilled my water everywhere.
It's all over your laptop.
What should I do? It is still on.
Turn it off right now.
Okay, I'm holding the power button.
Good. Now let's unplug the charger.
Done. It is completely off now.
Grab these paper towels quickly.
Thanks. I need to dry the keyboard.
Turn the laptop upside down too.
Like this, in a tent shape?
Yes. So the water flows out.
I hope it doesn't break.
Don't turn it back on yet.
How long should I wait?
You should wait at least 24 hours.
That's a very long time.
Yes, but it needs to be completely dry.
I have a big exam tomorrow.
Did you save your work to the cloud?
Luckily, yes. I saved it 10 minutes ago.
That is great news.
Yes, at least my study notes are safe.
You can use my old laptop tonight.
Really? That is incredibly helpful.
Sure, I don't use it anymore anyway.
You are a lifesaver, Emma.
Missing the last bus.
Excuse me? Did the number 10 bus go past?
Yes, unfortunately, it left about 2 minutes ago.
Oh no. Was that the last bus tonight?
Yes, according to the timetable, it was.
This is terrible. I need to get home.
Where do you live?
I live in Green Park. It's quite far.
Me too, actually. It's about 5 miles away.
Really? How are you getting home?
I'm looking at my taxi app right now.
Are taxis very expensive at this time?
Yes, they are quite expensive on weekends.
Would you like to share a ride?
That's a good idea. We can split the cost.
Great. How much does it cost?
It looks like it is 20 pounds.
So 10 pounds each. That is reasonable.
Exactly, and it is much safer than walking.
Definitely. It is very dark tonight.
Okay, I'm booking the car now.
How long does it say we have to wait?
The driver is 6 minutes away.
That is very quick. Thank you.
No problem. I'm glad I met you here.
Me too. I didn't want to wait alone.
Here comes a silver car. Is that it?
Let me check the registration number.
Yes, that is our ride.
A minor kitchen burn.
Ouch, that really hurts.
What happened, Jack? Are you okay?
No, I touched the hot pan.
Oh, no. Let me see your hand.
It is on my index finger.
It is very red. Run it under cold water.
Okay, I'm turning the tap on.
Keep it under the water for 10 minutes.
The cold water feels much better.
Good. Don't put ice on it directly.
Really? Why not?
Ice can damage the skin even more.
Okay, I will just use the water.
Do we have any burn cream?
I think there is some in the cabinet.
Let me check the first aid box.
Did you find anything in there?
Yes, I have the cream and a bandage.
My finger is still stinging a bit.
Keep it under the water a little longer.
Okay, I think 10 minutes is up now.
Let me gently dry it with a towel.
Thank you. Be careful, please.
I'm applying the cream now.
That is very cooling, thanks.
Now, let's put the bandage on.
You are very good at first aid.
I learned it at school. I'm glad to help.
Lost in the city center.
Excuse me? Can you help me for a moment?
Yes, sure. What's the matter?
I am completely lost, and my phone has no signal.
Don't worry. Where are you trying to go?
I'm looking for the nearest subway station.
Oh, you are very close to it.
Really? That is a relief to hear.
Yes, it is just a 5-minute walk.
Can you tell me the way, please?
Walk straight down this street.
Okay, straight ahead until the corner.
Yes, then turn left at the traffic lights.
Turn left at the lights. Got it.
Then you will see a large supermarket on your right.
Do I cross the road there?
Yes, cross the road and the station is there.
Is there a sign for the subway?
Yes, there is a big green sign.
Perfect. That sounds quite easy.
It is very simple. You can't miss it.
Thank you. I was walking in circles.
It is easy to get lost here.
Yes, all these streets look the same.
Enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you, you too.
No problem. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Take care.
A bad toothache.
Hi, Karen. Do you have any painkillers?
Hi, Daniel. Yes, I do. What's wrong?
I have a terrible toothache today.
Oh, that's awful. When did it start?
It started last night and I couldn't sleep.
Here are 2 tablets. Take them with some water.
Thank you. I really need them.
Have you called a dentist yet?
No, I don't have a dentist in this city.
There is an emergency clinic down the road.
Really? Do I need an appointment?
No, you can just walk in.
That's great. Is it open now?
Yes, they open at 9 in the morning.
Perfect. I will go there during my lunch break.
You should go now. You look really uncomfortable.
But we have that big meeting at 10.
Don't worry about that. I can talk to the boss.
Are you sure that would be amazing?
Of course, your health is more important.
Thank you, Karen. You are very kind.
I can write down the clinic's address for you.
Yes, please. That would be very helpful.
Here it is. It is next to the post office.
Okay, I know exactly where that is.
Go now and feel better soon.
Thank you. I will let you know how it goes.
Good luck at the dentist.
The water leak.
Paul, come to the kitchen quickly.
What's wrong? Why are you shouting?
Look under the sink. There is water everywhere.
Oh no, that is a huge leak.
Yes, the wooden floor is getting wet.
Let's find a bucket to put under it.
I have one right here.
Good. Put it under the pipe now.
It is filling up very fast.
I need to turn off the main water valve.
Where is the main valve?
I think it is in the cupboard by the front door.
Okay, go and turn it off quickly.
I'm turning it clockwise now. Is the water stopping?
Yes, the dripping is slowing down.
Thank goodness. Let me get some towels.
We need to call a plumber right away.
Do you have an emergency plumber's number?
No, but I can search online.
Try to find one that can come today.
I found one with good reviews nearby.
Great. Give them a call now.
Hi. Yes, we have a water leak. Can you come?
What did they say?
He said he can be here in 30 minutes.
That is excellent.
Let's start cleaning up the water now.
Yes. Let's dry the floor.
Dead phone in a new place.
Excuse me, do you have a phone charger I could borrow?
Hello. What kind of phone do you have?
It's an iPhone, and the battery is completely dead.
I have a charger, but it's for a Samsung.
Oh, that's a shame.
Let me ask my colleague if she has one.
Thank you. I'm in a bit of a hurry.
She doesn't have one either. I'm sorry.
No problem. Thanks for asking.
Is there a public phone nearby?
I don't think so. Those are hard to find now.
Why do you need to make a call?
My friend is waiting for me at the bus station.
Can I dial the number for you on my phone?
Really? That would be so helpful.
Yes, of course. What is the number?
I think it is 07709 0077.
Let me type that in. Okay, it is ringing.
Excellent. I hope he answers.
Hello. Yes, I have your friend Ben here.
Please tell him I'm waiting in the cafe.
Okay, I'm telling him now.
What did he say?
He is coming here to meet you now.
That is a huge relief.
I'm glad we could reach him.
Thank you so much for your kindness.
You're welcome. Enjoy your coffee.
Flat tire on the road.
Ryan, do you hear that strange noise?
Yes. The car is pulling to the left side.
I think we have a flat tire.
Let me pull over here. It looks safe.
Good. We are off the main road now.
Let's get out and check the tire.
Oh, yes. The front left tire is completely flat.
That is bad luck. We are far from home.
Do you have a spare wheel in the boot?
Yes, but I don't have a car jack.
So we can't change it ourselves.
No. We need to call road assistance.
Do we have a membership with them?
Yes, the card is in the glove compartment.
Let me go and find it.
Thank you. I will wait here.
I found the card. Here is the number.
Great. Can you call them? My hands are dirty.
Sure, I'm calling them now.
Tell them we are on Mill Lane.
Hi, we have a flat tire on Mill Lane.
What are they saying?
They are sending a mechanic to help us.
How long will it take?
The mechanic will arrive in 40 minutes.
That's not too bad. We can wait.
Yes, let's sit in the car where it is warm.
Good idea. It's very cold outside today.